Welcome back to another tutorial for the Cyberpunk 2077 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the threat and damage indicator within this game. So let's get started right away. Now, within this game, there is a feature that will use a red and blue indicator system. If you wish to increase the challenge somehow by turning this off, then you can do this at any point of time while playing the game. Go ahead and pause your game and then navigate to settings. From here, tap on interface and you will see various different settings. The threat and damage indicator option can also be found here, and when this is turned on, this will display both a red damage indicator as well as a blue threat indicator. You can change this option to only display the damage indicator, or you can turn both of these off to increase the challenge even more. After choosing your desired setting, just go back and your changes will have been saved. If you change your mind in the future, you can follow the same steps by going back into the settings, interface, and then turn on the threat damage indicator. So there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable the threat damage indicator on Cyberpunk 2077. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.